Alright, so in this problem, I have 9 to the power of x is equal to 36. So, obviously, we want to find the value of x here. So for my solution, I'm going to first start by rewriting my equation. So I have 9 to the power of x is equal to 36. And now, I'm going to take the log on both sides. So I get log 9 to the power of x is equal to log 36. And an important property of logarithms is that if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front. So this is going to equal b times log a. In this case, I have log 9 to the power of x, and I can move x to the front. So this is going to get me x times log 9 is equal to log 36. And this is why logarithms are so important in exponents, because for solving exponential equations, x is an exponent, and we need to bring x down to be a normal term, and the only way we can do that is by using logarithms. Now, obviously I want to isolate x, so I'm going to divide both sides by log 9. So then these two log 9s cancel out, and I get x is equal to log 36 over log 9. Now, we want to simplify this as much as we can, so I'm going to rewrite log of 36 as log of 9 times 4. And I have this over log 9. Now, there are two more logarithmic properties that you guys should know. So the first one is that if I have something in the form log of a times b, this is equal to log a plus log b. And the second one is that if I have something in the form log of a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. Now these two, along with log a to the power of b is equal to b times log a, these are the three basic logarithmic equations that everyone should know. Now going back to our problem, we have x is equal to log 9 times 4 for log 9, and as you can see, we can use our first property here. Log a times b is equal to log a plus b on log 9 times 4. So now we get x is equal to log of 9 plus log 4. Now I have this over log 9. Now from here, I'm going to rewrite this fraction as log 9 over log 9 plus log 4 over log 9. All I did was divide log 9 with both of these terms. Now anything divided by itself is 1, so log 9 and log 9, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 1 plus log 4 over log 9. Now from here, I'm going to rewrite log 4 as log 2 squared. So I have 1 plus log of 2 squared over log 9, I'm going to rewrite as log of 3 squared. And the reason I did this was because, remember, this property, log a to the power of b is equal to b times log a. I can move the 2 to the front on both of these, so I get x is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 over 2 log 3, and now I can cancel out these two 2's. So if I ever have something in the form log a to the power of b over log c to the power of b, these two exponents just cancel out. Now from here, log 2 is equal to 0.301, and log 3 is equal to 0.477. So I have to just plug these back into our original equation. So I get x is equal to 1 plus 0.301 over 0.477. And 0.301 over 0.477 is 0.631. So 1 plus 0.631 is 1.631. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 500 squared minus 499 squared. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 499 plus 1 squared minus 499 squared. And if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 499 plus 1 squared is turned into 499 squared plus 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared, and I have this minus 499 squared. Now I can cancel out 499 squared and negative 499 squared, so I'll be left with 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared. 2 times 499 is 998, times 1 is just 998, and I have this plus 1 squared, which is plus 1, and this is equal to 999. Now I actually have another method of solving this. So I have 500 squared minus 499 squared, and this time I'm going to rewrite this as 500 squared minus 500 minus 1 squared. Now, if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a minus b, which is equal to, if I factor this out, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to turn into 500 squared minus 2 times 500 times 1 plus b squared, which is 1 squared. So these two cancel out. However, this is actually going to be in parentheses. So the negative sign distributes. So this turns into 500 squared minus 500 squared plus 2 times 500 times 1, which is the same thing as 2 times 500, minus 1 squared. Now these two can cancel out, so I get 1,000 minus 1, which is equal to 999. So again, I get 999 as my answer.